Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency actually is? How does Bitcoin work? And what even is a blockchain? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in a way that actually makes sense, that in technical jargon, just simple visual explanations. Cryptocurrency is digital money, but unlike regular money, it's not printed by any government or controlled by any bank. Instead, it's completely online and powered by technology called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a public digital ledger, a giant spreadsheet that records every crypto transaction ever made. But here's the genius part: it's decentralized. No one person or company controls it. Instead, it's maintained by thousands of computers around the world. The two most popular cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is like digital gold. People use it to store value. Ethereum is like a super smart platform that lets developers build apps on the blockchain, kind of like an app store, but decentralized. Crypto isn't just for tech geeks. It's being used to send money internationally, invest without banks, create digital art, and even earn passive income through staking. So now you know, cryptocurrency is more than a buzzword. It's the future of finance, and it's only just beginning. In the next video, we'll show you exactly how to buy your first crypto step by step. So hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.